My mama cat's got a cough. You okay? She's got a cough. You alright? She gave you a meow. Let me get her something to eat. She coughs now. It's like a... Oh, you okay? She's like a... Oh, like a sore throat or something. I'm worried about her. My favorite cat. She's my first baby over here. Let me get her something to eat. Let's see what I got for you. That's the mommy cat. Yeah, let's see what we got. I'll give it a whole can. She won't eat a whole can. Let's see how she does with that. She eats it all, I give her more. Hey guys, I'm gonna go feed the other cats. Just wanted to video my mama cat here. You guys know who she is. She's been with me for quite some years. I had her since she was a baby, like a kitten. I feed her, she waits for me every day. This is what Catmandu does, you know, he takes care of the stray cats in South Florida. Anyway, I am going to, what I'm going to do, guys, on these short videos, because YouTube won't pay me on short content, even though I have 2 million views almost on short, which is sad. They don't pay for that. I think it's ridiculous. But anyway, I'm going to make them a collage of other videos where it's at least 3 or 4 minutes long, or at least minimum, whatever the minimum is to get monetized, and hopefully you guys will watch those. Okay guys, have a great day. See you again.